One of the highlights if you visit Morocco, especially in the city of Agadir, is to visit the famous argan oil factory and of course to learn about the magic of oil. Aside sa napakagandang beaches, we are so happy, especially ang aking husband, na makadiscover ng napaka-unique na Moroccan product, ang argan oil, na sinasabi din nila na produce from thorny argan tree, and dito natin malalaman na ang kahoy na pinagmulan nitong argan oil helps protect Moroccan soils from turning into desert. Napaka-amazing experience and wonderful to see how they still produce argan oil in traditional or old-fashioned way. At dahil dyan, napaka-interesting talaga makita yung lumang paraan sa paggawa ng oil. By the way, argan oil is a natural oil extracted from the kernels of the argan tree which is native to Morocco, na kung saan rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and fatty acids, na ito yung popular ingredient in skincare and hair care products. Ang the best din, pag andito ka sa argan oil factory dito sa city of Agadir in Morocco, ay hindi maging boring kasi you will be guided around the factory. Makita mo yung lumang paraan sa pagkuha at paggawa ng oil, tapos starting from collecting the argan nuts until sa final product. At kung gustong-gusto mo matry yung kanilang product, ay you can buy directly the oil from the cooperative for guaranteed quality and prices that are significantly lower than market rates. Diba? Napaka-the best, and then marami din kaming nakasabay sa pagpunta sa factory at hindi lang ito first time nila, kundi maraming beses na rin sila pumupunta dito. At sabi nila, talagang satisfied sila at napakagandang quality at 5-star. The best talaga na pag bumibisita ka sa isang lugar, hindi lang yung napakagandang views ang tingnan mo, kundi maganda rin na may matutunan ka. Kagaya nitong pagpunta o pagbisita dito sa Argan Oil Factory sa City of Agadir in Morocco.